Hello everyone, this is my enhancement number 5, and first I'm going to show you my functions file that it is located in the library folder. Here we have my check email function that have the filter bar function and returns the validation of the val email variable. Then we have my check password function that receives as a parameter the client password, the password that the client is trying to use for register. So here are checking if the client password is matched with the pattern password. Yeah. So then we have the navbar function that takes as a parameter the classifications array, and here we are building the nav list or navigation bar. So then when it is created, we are returning the nav list variable with the navigation uh, navigation bar. So now you can see here in my controller the that I'm calling the navbar function, and I'm passing the classifications array, and then the return of this function is saved in the natlist variable, and in each controller we have the same. Um, we are calling the function, we are passing the array and the natlist array. So this natlist variable, we are like making an echo of this variable in each field. So you can see that sorry, here is my home view, and here is the navigation bar working correctly. And in the login view, we have yeah the the sorry we have the navigation here too. So now I have here my vehicles view with the navigation bar working correctly, also the add classification, and also the add vehicle 2. We have all the the nav bar working correctly in all these. So now let me check. Okay, now I'm going to show you the server-side validation of the app classification. If I try to add classification, we can see here that please fill out this field, and in my app classification view I mark here, I put here the required, this field is required to have an input. So yeah, so I can add the classification to your navbar here. Okay, now you can see here in my index controller that I have my filters for the classification, and also in my vehicle add vehicle view. So each variable have this trim function with each respective filter for all the data types of the inputs. So for example, here in price, we have a number flow filter with the allow fraction to have the decimal, like the decimal of the number, the the decimal point in the number. So yeah, now also the filter for the action in each controller with the actions. And well, now here in my vehicle view, if I try to submit this without fill the fields, so you can see that please fill out the field model. I'm going to select like the new classification hatchback. Okay. So I'm going to put this here, and maybe the best hatchback. If I try to submit it like this, you can see that you need to have the input here, fill this field. So if with non-validate, you can see that all the information like is it's in the fields that correct information on. So image maybe here like 3, I want to add here non-validate. You can see that the information is it keeps the information in the fields. It's black. So validate and add the paper. Okay. So if you can see here, I have my new classification and the inventory. I have my new vehicle added in the inventory. So now, okay. So here are my validation for my HTML for the classification view, my vehicle view, and my CSS validation, and my weight validation for my vehicle management view, for my classification view, for my add vehicle view. And okay, so now it is responsive. You can see here that there's like responsive here. And here. Yeah, so this is my enhancement number 5, and see you next week. Yeah, I think it's all. Thank you.